All right, I know you want this beautiful dish on your Thanksgiving table. Okay, this is healthy whole grain bread, squishy. Chop it into cubes. We're gonna make our own little croutons for stuffing. Whole grain bread gives you some extra fiber. This is a great way to make croutons at home anyways. All right, so now we got our veggies, carrots, Brussels, celery, onion, cauliflower, broccoli, herbs, sage. This woman has expert chopping technique. Trim those Brussels sprouts. Who loves Brussels sprouts? Okay, now we are trimming these vegetables really fast. Practice your knife skills. Okay, watch this. Cauliflower, no time, in florets. Get a bowl for everything. This is called mise en place. We're setting up everything to cook. Okay. Beautiful sauteed vegetables before we put them in our stuffing. Gonna let them just steam a little bit, then add our cauliflower and broccoli. A little bit of water. Okay, these vegetables are gonna be a little crisp, not browned, because we're gonna stick them in the oven. Okay, fresh herbs, great way to create flavor without salt. Got a little broth. Mix it up real good. This is like almost low carb stuffing. Just a few little breadcrumbs to keep it from being just roasted vegetables. Bake it in the oven. Got this fantastic final dish. Top it with some gravy from your table. Okay, this is the healthiest stuffing you will ever see, but you're gonna love it. Yum. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board certified kidney doctor and I'm also the cooking doc. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, thecookingdoc.co. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a modern 10-step guide to preventing and managing kidney disease, and I'll see you next time.